Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Dart headlight. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your engine is off and the car is cool before you begin. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the bulb. You'll see two retaining clips at the top of the headlight assembly. Carefully remove them. Once the clips are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward to release it from its mounting points. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This gives you full access for replacement. With the old bulb exposed, twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Take your new H11 bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it into the socket. Twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. To finish up, slide the headlight assembly back into its original position until you hear it click securely. Reinsert the two retaining clips you removed earlier to hold everything firmly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.